Okay, so we were on Job chapter 22, verses 9 through 30. You have sent widows away empty, and the strength of orphans has been crushed. Therefore snares around you, and suddenly dread terrifies you, or darkness so that you cannot see. And an abundance of water covers you. Is it who were snatched away before their time, whose foundations were washed away by a river? They said to God, "Depart from us." And
girl,
what can the Almighty do to them?
Yeah, that's just
Yet He filled their houses with good things.
Shut up.
But the counsel of the wicked is far from me.
She did that.
The righteous see and are glad, and the innocent mock them, saying, "Truly, our adversaries are cut off, and their abundance of the fire has consumed them. Yield now and be at peace with him." Excuse me, could you put the cell phone away?
Actually, I gotta go. My youth minister's getting kind of mad. Bye.
Okay. So, we are covering Job chapter 22, and we are on verse 20. You are not. WOW Youth, rule number 4. No cell phones on during WOW Youth service.